And I'm going to install the latest version of Next. We'll say npx create next app at latest, space then dot to install it in the current directory. For the project, we'll say yes to TypeScript, yes to ESLint, yes to Tailwind, no to the SRC, yes to the app router, no to the turbo pack, no to the import alias, and we'll give it a few minutes to finish installing. We'll go ahead and update the package.json so that this project is compatible with the dependencies that we'll be using. So inside of the package.json, we'll add an object named package manager, and then it will set the npm to be at 10.5.2. Yep. And we'll also add overrides. We'll say React, $React. We'll add another key of React DOM. We'll set that to React DOM. And then finally, we'll go next, $next. And this is just setting the overrides for the project and distinguishing the package manager. So it is compatible with the dependencies that we'll need to install to use throughout the project. So that's perfect. It's saved, no typos. And we'll just close that out. Next, I'm going to remove the boiler code from the page.tsx. So I'll just come over, collapse this div, delete it. We'll add a new div, just add home page inside of it. Remove the image import because we don't need it. And then I also like to just set the height and the width of the page and reduce the text size. So we'll go to the global.css and remove this code from the root. And we'll go HTML, body, root, and .app. I want to set the height to 100%, the width to 100%, and we'll say at apply text. I want to set it to small. Looks good. All right, now let's just make sure that it is working. So we'll close out the page.tsx and go back to the terminal, and we'll type in npm run dev. Give it a moment. And mine will be starting on localhost 3001. Just open the browser. All right. So we are up and going. So I think what I want to do first, since we don't have to worry about setting up any databases or anything, I'm going to start with the homepage layout of the project. So on the home page, and we'll delete this for now, what we have is the header with logo. We have a calendar toggle to a weekly calendar toggle, and then we have the tabs or the home page laid out in tabs that we can toggle between the list and weekly view. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and build or add the header with logo first, and then the calendar toggle. And then from there, we'll begin to set up the context AP with local storage so we can add the CRUD functionality, and then we'll build out the rest of the UI. So we'll go ahead and get started on that now.